What is the status of methyl B12 in India? Well, methyl B12, as originally available all over the world, is available in India also as a standard release 500 microgram tablet. It's also available as a 500 milligram in 1 ml ampule, which is good for schedule purposes. Basically, what we are providing there is a formulation which is going to work for only 4 hours, because within 4 hours the methyl part, which really works for all nerve and brain tissues, is either used up or broken down, or it is excreted as a red urine. So that's it. What about the rest 20 hours? Well, research in USA has shown that if this drug is concentrated 50 times to make it a 25 milligram per ml injection, and it is given into the fat of a specific part of the body, then the whole injection volume is only about half of a single drop of water, virtually painless. And because the volume is so concentrated and small, it takes 72 hours for the whole drug to be released into blood, giving us a therapeutic flat blood level with one injection every 72 hours, but available now throughout the day. And this is what has been shown to benefit a child with autism. And according to the father of MP12 therapy, Newbrander, you cannot achieve this level of efficacy with a standard tablet. Now, in India as well as worldwide, because MP12 is outside patent, so no pharmaceutical firm wants to do a research, therefore it is not commercially available. Only pharmacists make it on a single injection order and supplied to a single child. But in India, what does that mean? Every time the parent goes to a doctor, gets a prescription, and then spends 6 to 7,000 rupees every month in foreign currency importing it from pharmacies. The drug is nowhere that costly. It's the cold chain courier cost which jacks up the price 3-4 times. We have already worked with a premier pharmaceutical firm in India to make that drug to the specifications given by Dr. Newbrander. He's got a longer shelf life, is much more stable. We have applied to drugs controller to get its permission, which we have got. We have applied to an independent ethics committee for permission to do the study, which we have got. And now the other formalities are there. We have to identify the centers in India, one in each zone, north, south, east, west, 1 or 2, so that this can be a truly all India representation of a study. So this study is now in that last phase where you have to identify the centers, make a batch, do the stability. These are the minor legal things that have to be done before the drug can be handed over to us. So we are in the last phase of that study. Once the study is completed in 2 to 3 years' time, this drug will be available at a fractional cost in India to benefit the vast majority of even lower middle income group families with a child with autism, and be a big boon to the 1 in 68 families in India who will have a special need child amongst them.